Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to change price on Vrbo. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this guide that's perfectly explained how to manage your rates on Vrbo. Your default base rate is entered where when you first list your property on Vrbo. It is stored in the settings section if your Vrbo account overview within your rate settings. You can edit your base rate as well as add or edit base discount. Within your base calendar, you can override your base to offer different rates for a specific day or longer without impacting your default rate. You can apply any rates you adjusted to the same dates for the following year. Adjustments you make to your rates don't apply to upcoming reservations that have already been accepted or confirmed. Edit your base rate. Your base rate can be the same amount for every night, or you can change it to a different amount for certain nights of the week. So, firstly, log into your account. After that, select the listing you want to edit. Then select calendar. Then select settings. Then select base rates and discounts. And enter your race requirements. And lastly, select save. Changing the base rate won't affect days that have specific rate rules applied. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.